Hello and welcome to this 5-minute guided meditation for deep relaxation. This is your time to pause, reset, and allow yourself to unwind. Find a quiet place where you can sit or lie down comfortably. Gently close your eyes and take a slow, deep breath in through your nose and exhale softly through your mouth. Let's begin. Bring your awareness to your breath. Inhale deeply, feeling your belly rise, and exhale slowly, releasing all tension. Let's take another breath. Inhale deeply through your nose and exhale, feeling your body soft. One more time. Breathe in deeply, filling your lungs with fresh, soothing air. And exhale completely, letting go of any tightness or stress. With each breath, allow your body to sink deeper into relaxation. Feel the muscles in your forehead soften, your jaw unclench, and your shoulders drop away from your ears. Now, relax your arms, your hands, and your fingers. Let go of any tension in your back, feeling the support beneath you. Soften your belly, allowing it to expand naturally as you breathe. Feel the relaxation flowing down into your legs, your feet, and your toes. With every breath, you are becoming more and more relaxed. Now, picture yourself in a peaceful place. It could be a quiet beach, a serene forest, or a warm, sunlit meadow. Imagine the gentle warmth of the sun on your skin, or the cool, refreshing breeze on your face. Listen to the soothing sounds of nature. The rhythmic waves or the soft rustling of leaves. Let this scene wrap around you, embracing you with tranquility and peace. As you rest in this deep state of relaxation, silently repeat to yourself, I am calm. I am peaceful. I am completely at ease. Feel these words sinking into your being, filling you with a deep sense of serenity. Thank you for joining this meditation. Be well and take care.